Hello? Oh, it's been a while. It's been a while, and I'm trying a new setup, so uh technical difficulties could happen. There. First disclaimer right there. uh is this working? Let me check my phone. Is this really working? Whoa. Is Hold on, I'm checking my phone. Okay, you guys can't see me. Like I said, technical difficulties. Hold on. Oh shoot! All you see is the yeah. So what I'm trying to do, and I might as well just try to fix it now. What I'm trying to do is stream to my PC, and then my PC handles all the streaming, so that way I can of my lighten the load of my MacBook. But it seems like there's no video, so what I'm gonna do is hang tight. I'm gonna just stop the PC and then stream straight from my MacBook and see how that goes. Volume really low. Yeah, see? I am rusty at this. Let's see here. Test. Ah, that's better. There we go. Ooh, rusty. All right. So, hang tight. You'll probably see like there's no feed, but the feed will come back. Promise. So, talk amongst yourselves. I can still see chat while I'm fixing all this up, but yeah. How you guys doing? Where are you from? Hey, well, first of all, Brandon, JP, Steven, Ethan, Ole, you guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You're here, and you stuck with me, and I appreciate all of you for your support. It means so much to me. And I want to make these streams as valuable as possible for your time. And again, okay, well I'm getting too deep into it again cuz I love to talk about deep things, but let's fix this first. Where's my stream key? How do you get a stream key? uh what live stream settings? Setup. Where's my stream key? Detail. Oh, ingestion. There it goes. Copy. You sit very still, lol. Oh wait. My video is on. You see my video? Okay, yeah. Something's wrong. Changing it. All right. Things are probably gonna go awry. Okay, I should be back, but let me know. Yeah, am I back? Am I back? Should we pretend that I'm just starting now? Donald! I missed you, man. I missed you. Just audio. Okay, what if I do this? We should be fine now. Gotta check my phone. Can you guys let me know in chat if I'm back? Oh, there we go. Yeah. All good. Whew. Oh man, it is hot in my room. I was actually debating wearing a tank top, but my wife was like, "No, no, don't." But yeah, how you guys doing? Where are you all from? I know JP is from Manila because he started our first Webflow Manila, Philippines meetup. Thank you so much, JP. You are awesome. Brandon over there at Pittsburgh. Donald over there in Montreal. Steven, I forget where you're from, Steven. And Dushy Rocks. What's up? The video is chopped. Video is choppy. All right. Let's see here. Do I have to leave and come back? Probably. Let's see here. What's my video output? Okay, my output. Key interval. Let's just do auto. Is this better? YouTube not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming, such as Ole from Thailand. Oh, whoa, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, hope you're all doing well. Okay. If this is working, let's just go. Audio and video are good. Okay, it's good to me. Okay. All right, if it's good to you, it's good to me. All right, so lots been happening. Yeah, it's cutting for me too. Shoot. Yeah, CPU is at 65%. Ugh. All right, let me. Yeah, my computer is not happy right now. Should I rescale output? Oh. All right. Let me check my phone because I don't know what you guys are seeing. Started our first Webflow. Ooh, that looks bad. Oh. All right. All right. I may have to rescale some things. Yes, I am a bit rusty. All right, that works. Put you here. Where'd this go? Okay, I can just do this. Transform. Sensor to screen. Haha. There we go. I recommend an AC. Okay, seems better now. Okay, cool. Cool. And let's just fix this real quick. Display capture, yep. Boom. Okay. Let me check my phone. After 16 minutes. YouTube is not receiving enough video. Come on. Tyler. What? Oh, dude. Tyler. Tyler. The man. One of the two men of awesomeness. Is the video okay? Someone say something. Man, the delay is so long on YouTube. So if you all don't know Tyler yet, Tyler is one half of the memberstack.io team. Tyler, video's choppy again. Oh, encoding overloaded. What does that mean? Hopefully this works. I'm not dropping any frames. Is it doing that buffering thing? No, my CPU usage is way low now. Excellent collection. Video is back. Welcome back. Is it choppy? If it is, I'm gonna be sad. It's all good now? Or are you just saying that? Just to be nice? All good. Don't get me happy. Don't get me happy. Okay, make me happy. Oh, streaming is such a fickle thing. Is that the word, fickle? Not choppy. Oh, we did it, chat. We did it. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone who's stuck by me, and supported me, supported this channel. Okay, so like I was saying, I was gonna get deep into it, but speaking of value, and I've said this in past streams, but I'll say it again. I hope that these streams and any content and any help that I'm doing for you, the Webflow community, is valuable, because I'm taking up your time, and your time is worth money. How much money? It's priceless. Why? Because those 22 minutes that you spent waiting for me to get my video and my stream fixed, you can't get those 22 minutes back. So I feel bad, but I hope that the rest of the stream can be valuable to you. And yes, I'm going to make some highlights. I'm going to download the stream and then chop it up into smaller pieces so other people and yourselves can consume it whenever, so you don't have to go through the whole stream. Unless you want to, then that's up to you. Oh, wouldn't be a good stream without any technical issues. Yeah, seriously, those people on Twitch who just like stream 8 hours a day, I'm like, how do they do it? One, how do they keep the stamina to stream for 8 hours in intense video games and stuff like that? And two, those are some pretty expensive rigs, you know? Anyways, what are we doing today? No idea. But you know what? I want to help you. So if you have any questions about Webflow, or if you have any if you have a project right now and you want help with it, send me your read-only link. I'll get on it, and we'll just fix it together. Yeah, how about that? While I'm waiting for that, can I go to my? So I'm only using one screen right now, and hoping that'll keep my video card happy. But let's see here. Can I go here? What'll happen? Nope. Blank screen. All right, let's fix this. No properties available. Display capture. What is going on? It's a blank screen. Oh, wait, hold on. Stretch. Fit to screen. Okay. No properties available. Okay, well then, how about I just add a display. And there we go. And everyone's happy. Ooh, I gotta shrink that down. Yeah. You can see everything on my screen now. Okay, cool. So, cool. Let's do that. Let's do this. And let's do this. Okay, I just logged in. Lucky. Yay, welcome, Nikki. Yeah, so if you have a Webflow question or you want help with your website, let me know now. This is live support. Oh, let me just tweet that out too. What's the link to this YouTube thing? I sent it out before. Okay, let me just tweet it out again. Live support is live. There you go. Cool. Yeah, so while I'm waiting for any questions or whatever, or if you just want to hang out, I'm looking for inspirations for my new homepage, because I'm like, I went to the Webflow retreat, and one of our amazing customer support team members named Christine took headshots of everyone who wanted a new headshot, and she's a professional photographer. And she was like, "Hey, if you want a headshot, then sign up, and then you can get a free headshot." It was like really cool. Hold on, where's my camera? Oops. Let me see here. Copy this, and then I'm really hot in here. Can you close the door? I mean, don't. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out like what to do with my homepage, because right now it's not really. I'm already bored of it, and I'm stuck in my logo, and I'm not sure if I want to do that anymore. So I wanted to do something more simple, and this is what I come up with so far, based on just searching through Dribbble. And if you want me to build something like a component right now that you've seen and you're like, can you do this in Webflow? I'll try it. Yeah, challenge me. All right. So that's what I'm doing today. But if you just want to chat, let's chat. See, the reason why at first I had this color box right here set like that, but then I was like, it just feels too flat. Why would I want to do that? And so I went to do this. Oops. I did this, and I was like, okay, now I'm popping out. Kind of like a billboard, whenever you go to a billboard and you see like some of the graphics cut out and it's like popping out of the billboard. Kind of like that. And I'm seeing that more and more on websites, things that are like popping out, like, see, this is popped out, this is popped out. You know what I mean? Where it's like a transparent background and then you have like some color that's going through the center. So I was like, okay, yeah. Love seeing the full shot instead of masking out of the mark. Yeah. That's what I thought too. I was like, this photo to me, this is my first like headshot that I'm like, holy crap, this is me. This is my energy. This is my happiness. This is my joy. Heck yeah. I want to put it front and center. And like I say, whenever someone's asking, like, give me some tips on my portfolio, this is what I always say. Put yourself front and center. Hire someone to do a headshot. Like, your website is that virtual handshake. Like, hi, how you doing? I'm such and such, and I love doing what I love doing. And yeah, and so this is what I mean. Don't just go, hey, I'm John Smith. I'm a web designer. Here's my work. No. Get a good headshot. It'll inspire you to make a better homepage. And here's the thing. Yes, a lot of people don't like photos of themselves. And because we are our own worst critic, especially when it comes to the, the sound of our own voice, the way we look in the mirror, the way we look in photos. I mean, yeah, we are our own worst critic. But once you get over that and just say, you know what, I'm happy doing what I love doing and I want to show that to the world, you'll be able to get over those little things that you notice. When I first started this YouTube channel, I was like, man, I have a heavy lisp. And looking back now, I'm like, who cares? And then I listened to MKBHD, the tech reviewer. He has a heavy lisp too, but he has so much swag, you know? So it's like, who cares? Just go. Do what you love. Inspire me to smile. Yes, Chris, what is up? Yeah. Yeah. So put yourself front and center on your homepage. And if employers are like, no, I don't like that, then will they like you in the office? Will they treat you like a human being in the office? Think about that. I need help with 100 VH in mobile view. I have it set to around 92. Can you show me your link? If you don't know how to send me your read-only link, search Webflow read-only link, and there's a tutorial. So post your read-only link in the chat, and then I'll get to that question. Yeah, if anyone else has any Webflow questions or just wants live support for their own site, or you want me to just build something like a component, like a accordion or something right on the spot, I'll do it. I'll show you how. But yeah, so I'm trying to find inspiration on like what to do. But also there's this other photo too. Like oh, I didn't add a drop shadow to this one yet. And it's kind of blurry. But it's me like, I had so much fun. Oh man. On the road at them. Wait. Okay, I hope you're not driving. I seriously hope you're not driving, Ole. Can you show us how to build a filter gallery? Filter gallery? Can you explain? I understand how to build a gallery, especially with the new multi-image field that we have in the CMS. But a filter gallery? What is that? Explain. Let's see here. What other? And also, if you notice, I like to design inside of Webflow. It's kind of weird because like a lot of people like to design in Sketch, Figma, XD, or whatever first, and then translate their thoughts into Webflow. But I'm that weird guy who likes to just design inside of Webflow and just see how it works. Oh, you're in a hotel. Okay, good. Good. So you can't get me your Webflow project read-only link. So let me read your question again. I need help with 100 VH in mobile. I have it set to around 92 for it to show as 100 VH. Is it the navbar that causes the problem? So when it comes, great question. When it comes to 100 VH on mobile, I would strongly suggest not using VH on mobile. The reason, unless that first row that you're using 100 VHs doesn't have much content. But if it has content, so this is what Ole is talking about. If I go to, let's clear this out. Actually, let me make a duplicate of this page so I don't mess it up. Duplicate, create. Okay, so pretend, let's delete this. Okay, so let's go here and you know what? No, let's just delete everything. Everything gone. Everything. I'm trying to help Ole. All right. So Ole's question is he has this nav bar. Also, he has a div that is 100 VH. Okay. Now on mobile, if you let me give it a background color real quick. Ooh. Okay, there. All right. So watch this. I'm gonna scroll. See how it has a scroll? Now it's 100 VH. Okay. This div block is 100 VH. However, this nav bar, it's not fixed or anything. And so it has its own height. And so it's this 100 VH starts after whatever the height, this natural height is of the nav bar. Okay. So you're saying I put it at 92. So it kind of fits. But look it down here. There's a little gap. Okay. So it's not really 100 VH. So you're going to have to. You're probably thinking, okay, let me make it like 94, but then I still have a small scroll. So my suggestion is don't use VH. You know, the reason why I don't use VH is because you'll never know how tall a phone, the user's phone is. Okay. It could be, that person could be using a 3-inch screen, like you have 3-inch all the way to like 10 or whatever. I don't know how big the screens are nowadays, but I usually shy away from VH when it comes to mobile. And so this is what I mean. Let me see if I can pick this up real quick. Okay, let me take that and put it into here. Okay, and let me just make this like, pretend this is your content, right? And it's 94. But what if the user's... Yeah, you'll never know. And then what if the user's screen is like cuts off here and pushes everything really, if it's too tall. So I would strongly suggest setting it to auto and then just putting padding and be done with it. And who cares if it doesn't get the full height if it doesn't take up the full height. When it's mobile, you want to give more of a shortened experience. Unless you're doing some sort of mobile app, in my opinion, then you have more control over things. But I mean, again, grain of salt, take this advice, and if you really need 100 VH, then go for it. But you may need to do like, I don't think you have to do custom code, but oh yeah, you do have to do custom code because you have to do CSS calc. So you would have, or is it JavaScript? I don't know, because you would have to find programmatically. I would think you would have to find the height, the natural height of this nav bar, and do CSS calc where it's like 100 VH minus this many pixels. So there's my thought. Peter, what is up? Raymar, oh my gosh. Next month is coming so fast. Things are going to happen over at Sarasota. Yes. All right. Let's go back to Dushi. Am I saying your name right? Dushi? Am I saying your name right? All right. So she says, like tabs category, that when you click on one of them, it filters the image. Like tabs category. When you click on one of them, it filters the image. I'm trying to figure out what you mean. Can you give me an example? I'm sorry, Dushi. No, you can say rocks. Okay, I'll call you rocks. Awesome. Mike says, I think it should switch when you get to the next section. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. I think you're talking about my new homepage. That was one of my thoughts. I'm like, when I scroll down, the picture changes from that one to that one, and it makes me wish I had more. I'll probably ask Christine if she has more headshots of me, because that'd be cool. Like each section is different, is a different photo, or is that too much load time? Do I keep it? Another idea I had just a long time ago was like drawing on my face or something, as if like a kid, like drawing a curly mustache or something like that, because I don't really take myself too seriously, and so that's part of my personality. So I was thinking that as you scroll down, drawings go on my face, not bad drawings. Okay. Oh, mix it up. Okay. Yeah, mix it up. I think this is what you're talking about. So, Webflow, mix it up. Yeah. So the lovely, lovely Anna Sabatini, awesome QA person in our team. She made this tutorial. So I will send it to you in chat. Let's see here. Okay, cool. So what it is a filtering. So check this out. So that's all, only oranges, only blues, only reds, only blacks, ascending, descending, random. So this is done by a plugin called Mix It Up. And with this tutorial, Anna shows you how to actually do it from scratch using Webflow and using no code. There's a couple of things you have to do in order to set it up, like adding custom attributes and whatnot, but it's not too hard to follow this thing. And if you want to use it with your hold on, where does it go? Okay, where is it? There has to be one with the CMS. Because you can use it with your CMS, with your collections. Where is it? Hold on. I know she did one with... There it goes. So this one is using dynamic content, meaning your collections manager. This is all being pulled from the collections manager. So I'll put this in too. So yeah, Anna is super awesome. And check, FYI, if any of you are familiar with the great Pablo Stanley and the awesome thing he put, what is it? Latin X or Latins who design or something like that. Latinx is who design. So this site right here, this was custom made. This was made from scratch, built on Webflow and hosted on Webflow by Pablo Stanley. But check this out. This is actually using Anna's tutorial. Actually, Anna helped Pablo build this. So see how everything fades in? Yeah, this is some of Anna's work. So much props to Anna. If you want to see it happening in real time, there you go. Really awesome stuff. Yeah, great questions so far. Raymar, yes, add the drawings as you scroll. All right. I'm not good at drawing, so I think my wife would love to contribute to this idea. And much love to my wife for creating my new brand. Super awesome. And I don't know if you saw this, but let me see here. I wonder if the stinger will work. Check this out. Will this work? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, so cool. Yeah, if you haven't seen that. So what I did was I took my logo and then I asked, there's this guy named, who has a company called Creative Grenade, and he built his site on Webflow. Let me show you. Grenade. There we go. And he has done some high profile Twitch streamers brands. And for example, he did Lyrics brand. And not only does he do branding, so he took Lyrics Cat and then he put it there, but they also do motion graphics. And when I was trying to think, okay, who can take my brand to the next level? Who can do some motion graphics? I said, there has to be the people behind those Twitch streams. Like, who are they? And then I found this person, and this person loves Webflow. And I was like, yes, can I work with you? And so he actually has a team of motion graphic artists, and this is not actually them, but awesome team page. Who did I work with? Oh yeah, Gabe. So I worked with Gabe. Is that really? Yeah, Gabe needs to get the hay out of his hair. But yeah, I worked with Gabe to do my intro, and I'm like, oh. And the next thing I want to do is take that's video file, that stinger, and make it into a Lottie file. So I asked Gabe, hey, when you have time, can you make it a Lottie file? Because then I want to put that into Webflow. And so when I have my preloader, because right now, if you go to my site, I have a preloader. And it goes like this. So all of this is interactions too, right? But wouldn't it be cool if I brought that video file that Gabe did onto my own site as a preloader? Boom! So like, that was awesome. Ole, you have $1. Let her do the drawing. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just give her the tablet and let her go to town. Good idea. So, yeah, trying to figure this out. So I was thinking this would be like a 2x2 grid of things I want to share, like my latest ramble, my latest video, my latest project that I've done, and latest experiment, something like that. Yeah. I was looking at this. I was like, ooh, this is cool. This is cool. But why? This is when, again, when designers use, wait, is this real? Is this a real site? Oh, it's a live site. I thought it was like a motion graphics. Start. Okay. Oh, my computer is struggling. Okay, be honest, chat. Do you like this? It's cool, but it's not user friendly. That's what I thought. Like, you have to click a start button. In this. That's cool. But why? Why? I would exit really fast. I mean, I appreciate when people push the boundaries of the web. But the web to me is a very, very thin line between design and function, and you have to have both. You know, you have to answer the question why and push the limits of design. And so right here, you're pushing the limits of design, but there is no actual why. I didn't know you can click anywhere. I mean, it would be just simpler to have just a regular slider. I mean, this is pushing design. This is cool, but it now, we're getting really close to the Flash age, like back in the day when you have to have a Flash intro that took 2 minutes to load, but you would wait there with the preloader going. But even the preloader had a cool animation, and then you click start, and then so many things were happening, and music and whatnot. Flash action script is happening. You're like, oh my god! Remember tooadvanced.com? That site blew me away, and I was like, yeah, this is so cool. But I wasn't thinking back then about the why and the user experience. I was just thinking, oh my god, I want to do stuff like that. But nowadays, people are like, I ain't got time for that. All right, it's neat, but a little too much. Agreed. Let's just going through Dribble, and this is what I do when I'm trying to look for inspiration. I'm like, what's happening? What are people doing? I want to take what people are doing and see, does it fit with what I feel like? Yeah, see, this is simple. I mean, nothing wrong with that, because when you're trying to sell products, you want this product front and center. You don't want to waste people's time with flashy graphics. This right here, I see a lot of people doing Nike shoes things. Like, if I had the image assets like this, heck yeah, this is awesome. Do it. But yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. So when I see something like this, it makes me think, should I put words behind me? Like these words. Like, should I put it here? But it'll get cut off, and sadly, this is the end of the image, and so if I were to push it to the side, it doesn't make sense. So, I mean, it would have been cool if I can be in the center, something like this, and then my shoulder kept going, so I had the full body, and then I can just put something. See, like how I'm going on top of the type? I mean, that would have been cool, but can't do it. So yeah, I'm just looking. So this is pretty cool. This hover effect export. Wait, I've done this. Oh, but they're doing a wavy thing. I guess that's cool. Where's the website? Reform Collective. Lol, you can Photoshop your other arm. I'm not that good, but never thought about that. Maybe I can ask my wife to make me a fake arm. Let's look at this site. All right, that's cool. Oh, okay. So they don't have that hamburger menu. Oh, parallax. See, websites, it's all about the imagery, man. The imagery. When you have great imagery, it makes it easier to design. Because look at that. Like, there's no content here, but I am still intrigued. See how clean this is? Yeah. Let's go. What do you think about this? Probably not possible in Webflow. Are you going to drop a link, or you're telling me about this site? Because this site right now, yes, easily done in Webflow. Like, there's nothing complicated about this. Look at this. See that right there? If I scroll down, it goes away. Scroll into view interaction. This right here, that's fixed. I think there's a preloader. Go away, swipe. I've done that on my own page. I mean, PixelGeek.co. I mean, I do the same thing, but on the going towards the other way. Yeah, this is not complicated to build inside of Webflow, and that's the thing. These kind of things shouldn't be complicated to build. It should be more complicated to do the concept phase. The research and concept phase. Yeah, this is. I'll just scroll into view interactions. Yeah. So the only thing that's really hard to do in Webflow, or not hard, tedious, is stuff like this, where one word comes up at different times, where it's all staggered, because you have to add a delay for each one. But there are JavaScript things like anime.js that can help with that, and I haven't played around with that yet, but I want to see how it's done. I think effing Sweet uses anime.js. So, yeah, they're crazy with their site. Yeah, where's their... Yeah, text isn't loading up staggered, so never mind. Maybe they don't use it. I don't know. Maybe I can get inspiration from them. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a VR marketing site. Wait, that's it? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. We're doing something. That's cool. Oh, I get it. Oh, there's more. Ooh. Let's see. Let's take a trip. Okay. I knew it. There's going to be parallax. You can just feel it right away. You don't even have to move your mouse. Like, in my head, I was like, there's parallax. And sure enough, there is. And again, not hard to do in Webflow. In here, it's possible. Okay. And yeah, this layout isn't... All right, that's cool. Hold up. Get here. Okay. You have 4 different boxes. So 4 div, 5 divs. So I'm thinking, how's this built? Or is it... Okay, it's probably not... Wait. Things are happening at different times. Okay, Okay. To me, all of this right here around this guy is an SVG graphic, and then this right here is a JPEG in the center. And so they're just scaling this overall div up while this is... Yeah, so this is position sticky right here. This is position sticky. So that one, so this column is moving. And then, okay, so you change that. That's easy. That's just a fade. Scrolling down, that's a slide. This is nice. And then sticky goes away. That's cool. Wait, is there one coming soon? Ooh. Yeah. This one probably intermediate type of build, not easy, but not too hard. But definitely possible without coding in Webflow. Yeah. Like, if I took a stab at this, I can do it. Yeah. Actually, you want to do that? Let's do that. What do they got? What do they got? What do you got? So you have... See, told you, sticky. Can you make position sticky to the bottom of the browser? Huh. Yes? I don't know. I mean, maybe? I want to see what images are they using? Wait a minute. Oh, it's straight up divs. Look at this. They're using transform. Wait, what? What? Explain to me what you're doing. Why do you do the things? Okay, here's top. I can't turn these off? Why? Why you confuse me? Okay, I'm just gonna build it how I think they built it. Now that I know that they're using different yeah, they're just using different divs. That's interesting. Tight fit, human tight fit. So human, relative, canvas. I never understood canvas. I really don't. So when I scroll down, oh wait. But when it slides, interesting. What we got here? So we have human. Let's just start with the human. Drag him to my desktop. Cool. Oh, it's a WebP. You can't upload WebP yet inside of Webflow. So we're gonna have to take a screenshot. Can you also transition between images? Yes, you can. Because you just put one image on top of the other and just fade one in on top of it. So let's start a new project, shall we? Nope, should have gone dashboard. Blanky, blanky, blank. If this works out, I'll let you guys clone it. This should be fun. All right, here we go. So my thought is, whoa, calm down. Okay. Look, it glitched. Look at the human's not there. Let me refresh. Cool. And so this is the thing about intros. They take too long. What? It's different each time? All right, that's next level. Good job. This is easy to do in Webflow too. You just you just have, or is it easy? I have to think about it. Okay, so let's do this. Zooming in, we'll call it a hallway, okay? So, easy. You have a 50-50 layout. So let's go ahead and, I need to use Command E more. So we'll just do, we'll do div. Oh my god, div. And we'll say the height is 100 VH. We'll flex that because we're going to have two rows that are being horizontal. We don't need grid. We just need flex because it's only one row. So we got one right here, and we'll just call it column 1. And then we need another div, and we're going to call it column 2. And both of them I'm going to expand. Now we have perfect fitty. Easy. All right. Now it gets a little tricky because we have to make a hallway. Hold up. I'm thinking, do I use position absolute on all 4 of these walls? On the ceiling, on the floor, and the 2 sides. And then I use 3D transform to go. I think that's what I'll do. Okay, let's try it. Let's start with the ceiling. I mean, if I stare at it, nothing's gonna happen, right? So whenever you're doing position absolute, you have to have a position relative because that's what's going to be the target. I want to make another div because I want to make sure that this one is going to be like the hallway wrapper. And this height is going to be 100% of its parent, so it's the whole thing. But at the same time, if anything goes beyond it, I don't want anything showing if things are zooming in, scaling up, so that way overflow is hidden. Okay, cool. And to make this relative, so if any of its children elements are set to absolute, they'll be targeting this one, and I'll show you right now. So I'm gonna add another div inside of hallway wrapper, so you can follow along. You can see my structure. Right, there we go. So let's call this top, or hallway top. Okay, hallway top. And I don't know what the height is, so I'm just gonna guess. This is a 500 pixel, right? And let's add some gradient to make it look like a hallway or something. Wow. So this right here is going to be that part. Okay, so lighter gradient and then darker because it's going down the hallway. All right, so let's do like that. And now here's how to do 3D transforms so you can get the whole trapezoid thing. All right, check this out. Transforms, I want the point of origin to be the top, so right here. Okay, and so when I do a transform and rotate, I'm going to rotate by the X, and check this out. It's not happening. I wonder if it's because of skew or something. It's not the Z. Wait. I don't think it's that. Is it? Let me put this back and see if I'm making any progress. So I'm going to add that. Let me make the width small, like 250. Okay, so it's not doing it. What am I doing wrong? I mean, that's easy right there. Like, okay, cool, that's a side. But I know how to do this. But my brain isn't saying so. I wonder if it's the child perspective. Because here, I've done it before, and I'll show you. I have proof. Mission, avenue, bar, and grill. Check out the top. So I was able to do it. But what did I do? See, it has a trapezoid. Has to be child perspective. Has to be. It is. Woohoo! Cool. All right. Hallway top. Ha! Got it. Okay. So that was the problem. The parent div needs to have that child perspective and a distance of 1,000 or whatever you want. Whoa. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So I'm gonna do 1,000. Cool. And so how to make this go higher is I can set the height. Is it the height? There we go. Make the height smaller. All right, so we have the top. We have the top ceiling. Cool. Sweet. All right, so we have the ceiling. The ceiling's very wide compared to mine, but is it 50-50 or not? I don't know, but we're trying it anyways. All right, let's go ahead and add another div. We're going to go to the left, or let's go right. All right. Oh, wait, I didn't do position absolute. So back on the top, position absolute, and I'm going to put it at the top. There we go. Cool. So, and you notice how this is targeting hallway wrapper. That's the position relative that's in effect. That's what's happening. All right, so let's go here. Let's go ahead and position absolute to the right. There we go. And let's see here. The width, let's just, I always pick a random number. See, look at, this is relative to body. And I was like, wait, why is this going all the way to the right? It's because it's not a child of hallway wrapper. So if I do this, boom, we're there. We're good. How come my height is not all the way? What's going on? Mine looks smaller because I have side panels. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. Oof, that means this is going to be smaller, huh? 250? Something like that. Oof. Okay, that one looks good. Okay, why is this one not all the way down? Explain. Hallway wrapper is... Oh, the hallway wrapper is 30. My bad. There we go. It should be 100. And this one... There we go. There we go. Cool. We're good. All right, hallway right. Let's do the gradient again. And we'll push it to 90 degrees, so it's going to the side. This one should be like that. Cool, cool. And let's put this under. So hallway top, this one's going to be a z-index of like 10. And then this one right here, I don't think we need to use 3D transforms because, or should we? Yeah, we should. Okay. So go back here, transforms, and now the origin is here because I want to anchor it here, and that way when I go transform and rotate on the Y this time, shrink it. Wait. Okay, I think it's doing the thing. But then there you go. What? Where is it? Where are you? Okay, you're there. But if I do position absolute to the side, you're gone. Oh my god. This sucks. I thought I was making progress, but apparently I'm not. Is it because the height? I'm gonna do VH. What? This is when something doesn't work inside of Webflow. This is when I actually publish and go, what's going on? And actually dive deeper into it through inspect. Hey, internet. Why do you do this? Is it preserve 3D or something? Like, so many times I'm like, what the Z index maybe? Hey, it's worth a shot. Yeah, let's try Z index. You know, when things like this happen, any solution is a good solution. Because if one of them works, then it's like, okay. So I learned, but I don't know why. Z and X don't work. Oh, there it is. Look at. But the width is 310. 1,000? Oh, it got big. Oh, okay. I think it's the transform. I'm doing too deep or something. Transform origin. Rotate 60 degrees. So if I move this up and up, there it is. Oops. With 310. What just happened? Refresh. With 310, rotate degree. So the answer is rotate 52-ish degrees. There we go. Debugging for you. That's how you do it. But then it shows up like this. I mean, okay. Wait, where's the OBS? It works. Transform is too deep. I know, so deep. Didn't work out, but now it does, and it looks lame, but whatever. Okay, so this is making me think, should I have done grid instead of absolute? I don't know. We'll get there. All right, hallway wrapper, Command E. Let's put another div. Let's keep going. So, actually, let me just kind of cheat. I'm going to copy paste this, right? And then I'm just going to duplicate class and call it left. And this one is just going on the left. With the transform origin being there. And okay, so how come 52 seems so weird? I don't know what's going on right now, but it's happening. Hold on. Is it this? I don't know what's going on. But okay. There has to be a way to cheat this. There's no way to cheat life. You must go through it. Okay, internet. I don't blame Webflow. I blame internet because it's so weird. Like that one. They're both the same class. You saw me duplicate class. I'm just gonna go through it and just be done, and then see where life takes us. So copy, paste. We're gonna say duplicate, bottom. Watch something completely weird happen. Oh wait, this one. Sorry, let me go back to left. The gradient's supposed to be flipped. There we go. All right, ready for the bottom? I'm not. Boom. Why is it there? Take the linear gradient, rotate it, then change this to here. Okay. And the height is 350 as well. Yay, we did it. It's like one of those things where you watch a cooking show and then you're like, I can do that, and comes out like this, and you're like, nailed it. At this point, I would think, let's do something else instead. Sure. I gotta study this more. It seemed easy in my head. I'm gonna finish this up. It seemed easy in my head. Yay. See, look how cool it is. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. I swear I'm a professional. Moving on. This has been an interesting stream, full of technical difficulties, rustiness, but all in all, fun. Anything else you would like me to anything else you would like to see me build? I swear I can do it. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should just do random streams like this from now on. Just, can I build it? Maybe. The internet is drunk. Yes, blame the internet. It's not Nelson. It's the internet. Thank you, Rox. Honestly, you see the CSS. It's the same. Maybe I don't know the things. Self-perspective? Whoa, what just happened? It has no children, so that's not going to do anything. I don't know what I'm clicking anymore. I want to know if this stream will be available tomorrow afternoon. Yes, it's going to be on my channel. Everything's being recorded, so enjoy. If you need to go, go. Oh, dude, you're in Florida, yeah. Dude, go to sleep. Yeah, go to sleep. Also, before you sleep, thank you for your support. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah, go back on Dribble. Look for inspirations. Here's some stuff I've been bucketing, and I'm like, huh. Oh, I'll show you something cool. So I had this idea, and I want your take on it. Okay, so here's what's happening. There's people who are looking to hire Webflow experts, Webflow freelancers, Webflow enthusiasts, but they don't know who to trust, and we're scattered all over the place. You can find us on experts.webflow.com. You can go to hellowebflower.com. You can go through the forum, the Webflow forums, and there's a category for freelancers. But I mean, there's no real way to see the recommendations or even comments or even ratings or anything of Webflow enthusiasts who are open to to freelance. So I'm like, why don't I change the overflow to this? Instead of charging people for my support, why don't we all just band together in one site where someone can go and, oh, I recommend this person. Oh, I recommend this person. And like, you can actually see comments using discuss, kind of like blog posts where you can put the discuss widget. Also, there's all these tutorials all around the Webflow forums and the blog posts, and they're all scattered. What if there's one place that you can just find it all and also search through them? Search through a site, so it's not, an aggregate. And then same thing, there's like a bunch of awesome resource sites that the community has made in before Webflow. Flow Pros, Ransigal's YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, the Webflow Masterclass, and there's a bunch I'm probably missing. But yeah. And like, it'll be cool if you can like log in and just favorite some of yours or something, kind of like that old school, kind of like Delicious, if you remember that old website, So it's like bookmarking and whatnot. So I'm trying to put MemberStack on this, and I want to see if I can do other stuff to make this happen. If you're interested, hit me up on Twitter, and I'll put you in this CMS so you can help me fill up this site. And if you know of any other tutorials, clonables, or resource sites, please let me know too, because I want to start filling this up. I want people to go to a site that are like, yeah, I can trust this person because it has this many recommendations and I see comments about this person. Now, obviously, comments is scary, especially when it's public. How do you know which comments to trust? Well, that's when maybe we can get some moderators to make sure that it's scrubbed clean and there's no spam and there's like honest things. And just like Yelp, where it's like, if someone complains, you really trust the restaurant or wherever or whatever you're looking at. You really trust the company more when they respond to that complaint. And it's like, oh, they're taking initiatives to reply to a comment. Okay. I kind of didn't want to go to that place, but now I respect them and I want to still try it out. See if I have that same reaction. So, yeah. DM me if you want to be in this. I've been doing it, working on this here and there, but maybe we can make it a thing. Help everyone out, not only just the Webflow enthusiasts, but people who are looking to hire. Because more and more, Webflow is in the spotlight now that we got the Forbes article out about the funding. So let's help everyone. So that's what I'm working on. But yeah, and I got the layout idea from this right here. Not the animations and whatnot, but just more of the basic dashboard ish. No, ran out of tea. Oh, here it is. This is where I got it from. Yeah. Cool. And there should be like some sort of account page where you can see how many recommendations you have. People should be able to like contact you through there, say, hey, I want to hire you and stuff like that. So, yeah. Haven't done mobile yet. I mean, just still working on this. Thoughts on the layout? Do you think I wonder if should keep this at like limit items to like the first 5. Yeah. I think everything should be the first 5. This one too. This should be the first. Oh, okay, I put 10. I'll do 5 for now. Yeah. Send me your DM me if you want in. The fields for this is full name, photo, email. Take a screenshot of this and like send me all this information if you want. Yeah, I think it'll be cool. What did I mean for tags? Oh, member tags. Okay, so member tags is if you're and there's like some people who there's people who contact me and like I don't have much time, but when I do, I'm like, hell yeah, I want to help you. And they're like, Nelson, do you tutor? And I'm like, if I have time, yeah. And then I'm able to have like an hour here, an hour there. But there has to be more Webflow tutors out there, How did you build the recommendation? There is no system yet, Donald. It's just HTML, CSS. But what I'm thinking is you click on the green icon, or like it's gray first, and then you click it, it turns green, and then it sends, and it's actually a submit button or something, or it does a JavaScript submit on a hidden form in the background somehow, which then sends to Zapier, which then updates this number in the Webflow collection. I know it can be done. It has to be able. You should be able to update. I mean, take the current number and then on click with JavaScript +1, send that number to Zapier to Webflow collection, update it, push it live, done. It sounds like TripAdvisor meet Linda plus Magic. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then like everyone would have like a short bio. It doesn't need to be the full one. It's just like mainly to like everyone. Should everyone get their own page? I don't think everyone should get their own page. Oh yeah, they are gonna get their own page, but they're not gonna get like a whole like tell me your whole life story page. It's just here's all your information, and then also comments. Actually, let's make that right now. So members page. So let me make this nav a symbol. Copy that. Members. And so if you're here, there you go. Wait a minute. Do I have a grid or something on the home? How did I make this? Okay, so I have a main. Let me just copy this. Members. Main. Cool. So I don't need this home grid. So maybe I don't need that, right? I can just say full name. And then maybe this will be the title. Or is it? Oh no. Okay. Or actually city. I don't know. We'll do something like that. I don't know. Yeah. Figure it out. Some sort of layout to show. Boom. Cool. So some sort of layout to show this this person and then their information, because you have all this information, their photo, and Darren Reynolds. Is this a real? Huh? Example at example.com. Save. So like Craigslist. I want to show the tags. Yeah. So collection list with the tags. Boom. Text. Actually, no, it should be links. With tag. So at the end of this grid, whatever this grid would be, it would have their discuss the commenting system in here. So I'm just kind of brainstorming inside of Webflow. So you would see their tags, like what do they do? Obviously you see their photo again. But the most important part is the commenting and the number of recommendations this person has. Now it makes me think, would it be bad to put number of years using Webflow, or no, that's not good, because like someone could be using Webflow for 5 years and they're not really good at design. And then there could be someone who's been using for 1 year, kills it in design, just learn interactions, and just like dominates Webflow because it's like, oh, okay, yeah, I get it. So never mind on the years. Just make it more trustworthy than TripAdvisor. Yeah, how can we make it trustworthy? Maybe get inspiration from GitHub to show how active they are. How would you... Hmm. How active? That's making me think, like, if someone clicks on the recommendation button, should that timestamp also go into their profile some way to be like, oh, this last recommended on such and such date? Would that matter? Because like you can't really because you can't really, like, whenever you put something into GitHub, then that green square on that date shows up, and yeah, so I know what you're talking about, but how would that work here without coding? Yeah, interesting. I'll noodle on that one. But yeah. This is cool. Thanks for the idea. And hopefully it can get you guys more work, because that's the main point of this. Spread the love. All right. Yeah, and see, everyone's doing that split thing. Wait. Oh no. Yeah, see, split thing again. Ooh, but this... See, if I had 50-50, I'd do that too. I'd like have my story on this side, and then I'd have my like my mantra, my mission statement right here. This is nice. A picture is like 1,000 words. A website is like 1,000 photos. Let devs put their site they've built. So let them put thumbnails. So I was thinking that's what these social links are for. I mean, there's so many sites that have that already. Do we need another one? Like, and if we do, how can we do that without using code? With Zapier. Because here's the thing with Zapier. You cannot add things. You cannot select a multi-reference or a single reference field. You can't update any data in a multi or single reference field through Zapier. I've tried. It errors out. So there's the problem with that. So if you're like, oh, I want to update my profile, I'm going to upload a photo. And I'm going to put a link to that photo because it's a screenshot of a client site I just finished. I totally understand. I totally want to do that too. Kind of like a Dribble thing, right? But with Zapier, you cannot upload to a Webflow single or multi-reference or even an image field. You can't upload to an image field. Yeah, Webflow Showcase. Yeah. Yeah, that's going to be a hard one. trying to make this website like run itself, but Webflow doesn't have the capability for that yet. Unless the image was hosted somewhere else. But then how do you tie it to their profile? Because you can't do single reference. Yeah, see? Not yet there yet with Webflow. Hey Nelson, first time commenting in the live stream, wanted to say what's up, love your channel. Ivan, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. And thank you for commenting and watching. If there's anything I can do to help you with your project, let me know. I'm going to stream for about 20 more minutes. This has been a rough stream, but fun stream. Because I was like, you know what? I have time. And the reason why I have time to stream is because my daughter went to bed early. And I'm like, and I asked my wife, can I stream tonight? She's like, okay. I'm like, right on. And I'm not tired right now. A little bit tired right now, but like back at 9 o'clock, I'm like, yeah. And I'm a bit rusty, as you can tell, if you watch the first 22 minutes of this stream. But yeah. And if you're just joining me, thank you so much. Want to do more of these personal streams. Not sure when. I don't have a set schedule. This was just spread of the moment. But yeah. Can't work out the scaling forward motion. Okay, going to bed. Thank you so much, Rox. Thank you so much for that idea. Thank you so much for being here. Since 9 p.m., it's 10:42 now. So, hey, you have yourself a great night and a great rest of your weekend. And, yeah, see you again next time. All right. Let's see here. Oh yeah, JP, can't work out the scaling forward motion. Are you talking about that VR website that I did so well? I think it's just scaling from the center. You're just taking the scale transform and then making it bigger. Ooh. Yeah, I'm trying to find more ideas for my own personal site. Wait, why did I bucket this? Huh, I'm not sure why I bucket this one. It's very basic. Huh. Yep, hit me up. If I'm not able to answer the question right away, I mean, I'll do my best to like record a video for you, or maybe next live stream I'll get on it. All right. Well, what are you guys working on? Do you have any projects that you're working on that you want to show off? I'll look at it. Well, I'm trying to figure out my own site. Yeah. Something has to happen. Something else needs to happen. This color box. Wait, this one, 28 VH. 28 VH. And so I learned something cool. So what I was trying to do is like, how do I keep the width of this box like in the middle of me at all times? And at first I was using pixels, and then I was using VW, but it wasn't like sticking to the middle. But then I'm like, you know what? This right here is a 95 VH. So for the side, I should be using VH, the same measurement. And so that way it's always centered. Because it's finding the vertical height rather than the width, because this is growing with the screen height. So I was like, oh, Figured it out. So there needs to be something different here. Links are not coming up here in the chat box. Try sharing a link. Trying to share a link. Just don't put the full URL. Just put like something.webflow, and then I'll look at the. I'll just add .io. Oh, Eli, you sent something. Some practice I did with interaction, slider, carousel, Webflow. Got it. Okay, what did you do? Okay. Boyd's. Ooh. It's moving on its own. I'm not doing anything. Dude. How? How? See, it's moments like these where I'm like, I suck. No, this is really good. But how? I want your read-only link. Oh man, Eli. I don't. I don't know. Oh, this makes me happy. Oh, I'm proud of you, man. I need to learn this. Oh man, I'm gonna show the team. I'll show the team. I'll send it in the team Twitter Slack. Great job. I'm speechless. All right, hallway test. JP, did you figure it out? Wait, it's not. Okay, you figured out the CSS. But how do you scroll in? Or how do you? All right. So what did you do? What am I doing wrong? What am I doing? Oh, how are you doing? How are you doing it right? Tell me your ways. Wait, there's two. Why do you have two div blocks? Dude, you're doing. This is good. This is good. Did you absolute? Okay, you did absolutes. What did you do, JB? Okay, left wrapper, overflow hidden, small. Okay, yeah. So you followed me, but then you did so much better. So your divs are huge. Okay, so you did a width and height of 100%, and oh. But then you did right -50. Okay, but now you're like, hey, how do I how do I scroll in? So maybe I can get back on it. Doing rotate Y, rotate. Okay. GP, you're doing it. So the scroll is just a scroll interaction. So okay. Can I learn in 10 minutes? Maybe. So what JP did was just he did a width and height of 100%. And then he took that and rotated it. Oh. Oh, but it's okay. Okay. Fix this gradient. It's way too dark. Okay. Okay. We could be cooking with butter right here. Oh, Jesus Christ. So that's not it. What am I doing wrong, JP? Why are you so good? Flip the table. You know what? Currently working on a client project. Not as good as everyone else's, but I'm learning. Everyone starts somewhere. So as long as you're willing to learn, that is what makes you awesome. All right? So don't feel bad that you're not as good as everyone else. But Mazi dash law. All right, here we go. Call today. Okay. Good start. Okay, really good start. There's a lot of good things that are happening here. Okay, but let's start with the things you can improve on. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh, and immediately there's too many things vying for my visual attention. There's too many things that are calling out to me. Okay, so first thing I saw was call today. Now, why would I want to call today if I don't even know this brand, if I don't even know this firm? I've never met. This firm to me is just a logo at this point right here. It's just a logo. Why would I want to call today? And at the same time you're saying call today, the next thing that got my attention was live chat. Why? Because I'm used to seeing little badges on my phone that's like has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 19 emails waiting, and I'm like, oh God, I gotta look at them. And so this brings my attention. So now you're bouncing my eyes back and forth like, do I call today? Do I live chat? But then again, I don't know these people. Then you have the bottom right chat box show up. Live chat. Oh, okay, so this is just this is just it. And then this shows up and I'm like, whoa, okay, there's too many things. So 1, 2, 3 things are vying for my attention. Okay? So my honest opinion, I would tone it down. Because when you have too many call to actions happening at the same time, it feels very desperate of like, please call, please live chat. Hey, someone's waiting for you to chat right now. Please chat with us. Okay? What you're doing right, though, is what I always say when it comes to when the first load of a website. Where am I at? What is it about? Where do I get more information? That has to happen in 3 seconds. Where am I at? A law firm. What is it about? What is it about? Top-rated attorneys in criminal defense. Cool. Where do I get more information? One of these two. Cool. Also, these badges right here. Now, I myself don't know what these badges mean, but it seems so. This is like accreditation, so they're trustworthy. Okay, cool. It would be nice if they were all like one flat color. Okay, let me give you an example. Go to a little known site called Webflow.com, and boom, all of these businesses, all these companies have different colors, but we can make it all one color, and that way all of these aren't trying to get my attention right away. This is getting my attention. This is getting my attention. This is just telling you, hey, these people use us. Okay? And so when I get here, there's all these different colors. Make them all black, or make them all gray, make something. So that way it doesn't try to go for my eyes. Okay? So yeah, this URL, remove this and remove this. You can keep this, all right, but don't do the automatic, like, watch after a couple. Yeah, so don't do the automatic chat where it comes up, okay? If people want to talk to you, they will. They'll find, if they have an issue, they'll come talk to you. Okay? Dapper. I need to wear jackets like that have like a tissue. I need to rock that. All right. I would also suggest putting the team, so top rated attorneys. So this multiple, that means there's multiple attorneys. What if the attorney's photos right here, in here somewhere? Kind of like what I'm trying to do at my site. So think like a user. Think, I need to hire a lawyer. I'm in Atlanta and I need to hire a lawyer. I need to find someone who's trustworthy. So you Google something and then somehow you stumble onto this one website. If I'm a user and I need a lawyer in Atlanta, I'm thinking, I need to meet these people to see if they're trustworthy enough. I need to meet these people to see if they can take my case, if I'm going to spend time with them, spend money on them. I want to make sure I'm in good hands. I want to make sure that these are real human beings on this website that can help me. And so when I get here, I don't see any humans. This is a bot down here. So I'm not trying to be vain or something, but I'm just trying to go back to story first. Okay? So this all goes back to branding. Okay? So put their photo front and center, put it here, and then top rated criminal is on the left. Okay? Or is there any more people? Attorney profile. Okay, it's just him. Okay, so attorneys, I thought it's multiple people. So if you can get like the multiple people in this law firm, or if it's just him, yeah, photo. That would help out a lot. Okay? And here, live chat. Oh no, I'm probably gonna get spammed or something. I was gonna say hi. Leave. All right, so there's that. And this, you can make this darker, make a overlay darker so the books don't crash into this type. Make sure that these boxes are the same height, and you can do that with Flexbox. Multi-column. Okay, cool. All right. This one is left align, but this one's centered, so I would make them both left align. Not the same height right here. Not the same height. So, not sure why you chose this type of grid. 6 is an even number, so I would have been like 3 by 3 column 2 row instead of this. So when it comes to forms, forms don't need to be this wide. You can make this form like, I usually make my forms like max width of 550, and I center it. Yeah, because it doesn't need to be the full width. People's names don't have this many characters. Okay. And then, yeah, you're good. Let's go one more page. All right, same thing with this form. That good start. Good start. I know this is in progress, but I would love to see your progress next time I stream, or just DM me whenever you update it. All right. So good job, Ivan. Oh, it's already 11. Okay. I placed the max min so it stays the same perspective. All right, John, JP, I need to learn. So send me your read-only link later. I'm gonna learn tomorrow. I want to see how it's done. But I'm gonna end the stream. Getting tired. Have breakfast with the family tomorrow. But yeah, that was fun. Thank you for joining me. Thank you all for your support. I mean, it really means the world to me. And I love watching Webflow community members grow. And grow their skills, grow their careers, and just enjoy their lives. Webflow's dual missions. I don't know if you have seen it. Do we have it on our website? Let me see here. Blah, blah, spelled about wrong. So the two missions. Okay, 1. We're enabling everyone to create for the web. That's you all. Everyone. Myself, my wife, you all in live chat. Build for the web. And leading fulfilling, impactful lives while doing it. To me, this part right here is not just for the lovely, awesome team here. It's also you, everyone in the live chat. I want to help you all lead fulfilling, impactful lives. For example, there's this one guy who freelances Webflow, and he was living in East Coast, United States, but his family is back in Mexico. And next thing you know, he told me that thanks to Webflow, he's been getting more and more freelance clients, to the point where he was able to leave his job, and he didn't really like the job, but he was able to leave it. And furthermore, he moved to Mexico with his family, and he's able to make US dollars while living in Mexico to grow his family, to lead a more fulfilling life with his family. Less stress because he can work remotely. And it's like those kind of stories of people living and doing what they want to do just makes me so happy. And so if there's anything I can do to help you learn, help you progress in your career to get to the point where you're like, you know what? It's fun. Life just got more fun. There's still challenges with life, but hopefully it's not mainly your job. Hopefully it's just like, you know what? There's other things in life I can think about, and doing my work Monday through Friday is fun, and I'm learning a lot. So thank you so much for being on the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit me up on Twitter, twitter.com/thepixelgeek. DM me your links or questions. Subscribe now if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button and then the bell. And you know what? I think you have to click the bell again to be like all notifications or personalized or something like that. So do one of those. And thank you all so much. I will see you next time. And as always, make the web beautiful together. See ya.